She has a lot of great qualities as a teacher, as a professional, and also as a person too.
She's just very genuine, warm-hearted, and a selfless person, and I think it shows in her teaching.
She is always willing to go that extra mile to help the student.
Abe 先生、僕の気持ちは考えてくれてありがとう。
Ayako is the 6th grade Japanese teacher, so she does Japanese literacy and social studies. She also teaches accelerated math, which she is excellent at.
Originally, she was my building mentor, so I really was able to learn a lot from her my first year here because we both teach on the 5th-6th grade team.
I have worked with her, I want to say over 10 years. As I was working with her as a coach back then, I was really able to see her strengths as a teacher. She really asked awesome questions about how to teach the content in ways that are rigorous but also engaging. She's always bringing in these real-world examples and creating these projects for students to do.
And it just fosters their love for learning, which is what you see when you walk into a room.
I work with 6th graders, and most of my lessons are in Japanese. I teach Japanese literacy, social studies in Japanese.
So the students get half their day in English and half their day in Japanese.
Since we are a PLC team, all of the teachers that also work with her brainstorm and collaborate and get to share and learn all about the great ideas that she has.
どうですか？綺麗なのかけてきたね。かわいいね。
I teach clubs like Japanese Speech Club. Also, I help with a Japanese summer culture camp. Or I teach a Japanese culture club where we have a lot of hands-on culture activities. The most favorite thing about teaching 6th grade is that the Nihon Day, which means Japan Day.
The 6th graders are in charge of teaching about Japanese culture to the entire school. And Ayako is involved in planning and preparing and coming up with the theme.
Any activity that she is a part of, it just makes it really engaging for the kids and just a wonderful event.
I think getting to know her students and building those relationships is why she's able to foster such unique in-class relationships with them, so she's able to kind of know what their needs are.
I think I'm a teacher who has high expectations for my students, but I try my best to support them every step of the way so they will be successful. Miss Abe, every time I need help with a math test or a Japanese worksheet, she'll always explain things really well, and even if I make a mistake, she'll help me.
We talk a lot about being a warm demander, how good teachers are warm demanders, and she's a perfect example of that. She knows the level of expectations that her students should have at that grade level, but she does so in a way by first prioritizing getting to know the students, building relationships with them, and she uses that positive relationship to leverage towards student learning.
I get to talk with my grandparents from Japan, and I can communicate with them better because Miss Abe helps me with a lot of my vocabulary.
Well, I didn't expect it at all. I was so surprised when you guys came into my classroom. The level of excellence in the work too is something that's just really significant, important to recognize.
She's a really great teacher and has helped me grow in a lot of ways, not just Japanese, but as a person too.
この大きな賞を受賞できてとても嬉しく思います。これは、皆さんのおかげだと思うので、私一人の力ではないと思うので、皆さんに感謝しています。いろいろなことを教えてくれてありがとうございました。